Now, we are looking at solving simultaneous equations graphically. So we have x plus 3y is equal to 5, that is our equation 1, and 5x plus 7y is equal to 9. Now, we make x or y the subject in the first equation so that we have y is equal to 5 minus x over 3. So we choose arbitrary values for x and we get the corresponding values for y. So we are saying if x is 2, then y will be 1. If x is negative 1, y is 2. If x is negative 4, y is 3. So this one will give us the coordinates to be 2, 1, negative 1, 2, and negative 4, 3. Then you come to the next equation, which is 5x plus 7y is equal to 9, and therefore y is equal to 9 minus 5x over 7. So we choose arbitrary values for x and get the corresponding values for y. So if, for example, x is negative 15, that one will give us a value of y to be 12. And if x is negative 8, that will give us the value of y to be 7. And if x is negative 1, that will give us the value of y to be 2. Now, the point that you're going to plot is now negative 15, 12, negative 8, 7, negative 1, 2. So therefore, we turn to our graph now, and we now, using those points, now we can draw our graph. So the least value of x is negative 15. So we have negative 15, negative 14, negative 13, negative 12, negative 11, negative 10, negative 9, negative 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is where our axis is now. So we have our axis at this point now. That is our axis. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So from here we realize that when the first equation, when x is 2, y is 1. When x is 2, y is 1. When x is negative 1, this is negative, that is 2. And when x is negative 4, y is 3. So we join those points with a straight line. So those points will give us a straight line. So we join both those points with a straight line. And then the next equation is the coordinates there. X is negative 15, y is 12. So we plot negative 15, 12. When x is negative 8, y is 7. So we plot negative 8, 7. When x is negative 1, y is 2. So it's falling on that point again. So we join those points, therefore, with a straight line. We join those points with a straight line. And the two lines intersect at the point negative 1, 2. Therefore, from there we get the value of x to be equal to negative 1 and y is equal to 2. So that is how we solve simultaneous equations graphically.